chance. I ain't tripping off the he say and she say, cause we say go and pass me a Cuba Libre. That's what we want, don't run, I can see it. What you don't wanna see the Cohiba run, how we roll it up. We came to blow it up, hit the spot, sew it up, represent, throw it up. That's how we show the love. It's how we rise above all the shit that we overcome. It's like a soldier's run is done when the war's
Ay,
won.
Caribe, tierra de mi gente hermosa, cielo y sol, me acompaña donde quiera. Hermanito, la lucha recién empieza. Yo nací con sangre taína, yo nací.
Latino hasta la muerte, chicos, stay working hard. But the North suerte, gracias a Dios, thank God. No Cuban from Miami coulda took that route. Marineros, parceros con clínicas, santeros con muela que dicen que pueden curar a abuela. Y'all like Scarface, I'm more like Sosa. Cypress Hill, pitted Flacco, this our culture. From Cali to the crib, me in Miami. Thank God I'm doing music, if not I'd be tearing families. I'm not an oh no, I'm about my cash flow. Let me take this shit and send this letter off the Castro. Dale.
Ay, Caribe, tierra de mi gente hermosa, cielo y sol, me acompaña donde quiera. Hermanito, la lucha recién empieza. Yo nací con sangre taína, yo nací.
We way too high, always coming up with something clever. Our Cosa Nostra, Cypress Hill, Matacera. Feeling fancy in the hemp, bro, Guayabera. And we just clowning on what we call some jodedera. Call me Sandy, wild child from the Isles. I can go forever like an old-fashioned country mile. Stilo be Guajiro, Latino is the lingo. I'm straight cool.